What's up, everybody? Welcome into another episode of my Road to Glory series. We are here in week 7 with another ACC opponent in North Carolina. So let's hop into it. As always, you know, what we do every week, we're starting with our weekly agenda. Trying to get some of those badges, but it's difficult. XP is not easy to get in this, and I feel like we are crushing it. So we're still using some points on XP, and then of course we want to be healthy. Oh, that's going to use up a lot. So we took a beating in the last game, so we're going to use that, and we are going to put the last 2 in school so that hopefully once we get to our senior year we can be done with it. So like I said, we have North Carolina coming into town, and we are a very even match, and we're going to keep wearing the greens because they are working for us right now. So let's hop into this game. Let's go. Okay, defense steps up and holds them. We are on our own goal line though, so gotta be careful. Fun way to start the game. You guys think Bill Belichick's still on the sideline? It's year 2029. We're running. Oh, B was wide open. Get down. Nice run. Holy cow, 22 yards. Hit him with the little first down, Selly. But yeah, let me know if you guys think Bill Belichick 2029 is still with his, what should probably like 35-year-old girlfriend in North Carolina. Uh-oh. Oh, we ended up dropping it. That's okay. A lot of these uh-oh passes. Okay, Jocelyn is back. I don't know if he got hurt in the last game. He did not play like the very end of the game, so, or basically the whole second half. He comes back and gets a first down. His first play. Oh, we got a big boy running a mesh play. Give it to Schuster. Oh, and he just gets rushed a little bit. So we got hit a lot in the last game, and it really put a lot of wear and tear on us. Oh, it's raining, so we got to just be careful. Uh-oh. Oh! Wow. I forgot that we upgraded and our change of direction is a 99 now, so we can make some moves out here. Let's try the slip screen. That was a pretty impressive move. And I don't have stick skills. I don't know if you guys know that. Go, Jocelyn. Use that blocker. Or, you know, run right into him. It's cool. We don't mind that either. Try the outside zone. Outside zone. I don't like the outside zone. Oh. Man, if I could just keep failing on those rollout passes. Keep throwing them orange balls. Oh, cut up. Oh my gosh. Jocelyn, you tried everything to not get that first down. That was a little impressive. I mean, could you try a little bit? Okay, this is going to be interesting. Just dropping that off. Inside zone. Looks like it should be favorable. Go get it, red wine. Red wine seems to be a little bit more hitting the holes than Jocelyn ever does. Not that I don't like Jocelyn. He just doesn't like to hit the hole the same way. Let's do that. I'm not gonna block you. And you went out. Uh-oh. Can you block? Oh! I thought I could get around the corner. I tried. Schuster and shoot are my first looks here. Frederick late. We'll sit down. Nice. There's number one. Okay. Defense held him again. If I like that. Like that a little better. Oh boy. Probably could have hit Shote in the middle. Which, can we not get so many RPOs? This offense is just RPO central. Let the cluster of routes begin. Good catch. Bad ball by me. I really don't know what it is when I'm rolling and I hit the turbo. I lose all capability to just throw a normal ball. There we go. Oh, go run. Don't juke, just run. Okay, coach. Come on, Osai. Get open, please. Please get open, sir. Or Jocelyn will just do something weird, get stuck in the backfield and then get open. Dang it. Can we stop throwing orange? Oh, gosh. Frederick, can you try not to take me out? Let me run. Run free. Just run him off, Butler. Good ball. There we go. Ooh. Another Miami Hurricanes first down. I think we're just doing the same play the other way. If it's not broke, don't fix it, right? Oh, go score! 2. That's 2. 26. We're up 14. Let's take a little shot. Not a big shot play here, but could do something. Oh gosh. Yep, nobody's open. Okay, that play I need to mental note does not work. I don't like the inside zone. Let's do the flood. You're gonna come back this way. Jocelyn, you're doing your route. Oh, yes, pass interference. Thank you. Man, if you scouted us, all you'd have to do is cover Jocelyn on the Texas route, and most of our yards would be taken away. Try the slip screen. Okay, that worked out. Say we're going to cover that. We were going to lose yards. And we are at the 2-minute warning. They're not in press mode yet. Did I get out, or is that... Oh, that counts as a sack. Try the verticals. There. Let's see what happens. Oh! Thought he was gonna keep it. That was almost really bad. I hate when they just stop. Ah, they score. Dang. Okay. Well, we got a game. Are you gonna get help over the top? Nice catch, Osai. I feel like I hold my breath when the ball's in the air. Got an all-go situation here. Nobody's really open, but we're gonna get down. We like to run. We like to run. Okay. Come on. Hold on to that ball. Schuster. Crowd, why are you so loud when we're... Thank you. Schuster, get over the top. I kind of covered. Show on that. Oh, get through him. Nice, Asai. Asai's come along this year. I don't know if anyone remembers. Game 1, he had a catch and then immediately fumbled. And now he's been breaking more tackles, which has been great for us. Uh-oh. Yep. That's what happens on those. Should have known better. Okay, Asai, I need you to get open. Yeah, I have nowhere to go. Dang it. We don't like that. No, we don't. Man, not a lot of yards. Oh, wow. What did we do? Got the field goal, and then they must have just, like, immediately turned the ball over? Uh-oh. Dang it. I thought I hit hot route, and I hit audible. Wasted time out there. Let's try it. Action read Willingham. Man. Yet another orange ball. It's got to be like number 15 in this game. There we go. Go Josiah. Or Jocelyn. Mixing up Josiah and Jocelyn. Or Osai. Jocelyn. I like this. Let's see what it looks like. Oh. He crashed down and just... Dang it. Well, we got 3. Defense held him again. So we're doing okay. We're doing okay. We are not having a great day. Are you going to help safety? I'm going to let him go. I think he's going to help. Man. Come on, Kyle. That's not pass interference? Man, we have just stalled on offense. Defense is saving us. This is not a Heisman game from us, guys. Unfortunately. There we go. There we go. We gotta get some cheeky yards here at the end. Maybe a cheeky score. Oh, wow. I'm sorry, Hardrick. That's what I want. That is what I want. Threw it to the lineman. Third down. Dang. That would have been sweet. Pass interference? Yes, sir. We'll try to steal one. Oh gosh. Got our lineman running a route again. We're running this in. There we go. Who wants the ball? Who wants it? You can have it. Oh, it wants us to go for 2? Oh yeah, because we'll be at 28. Good call, coach. I was not paying attention. Yeah. Good coverage by them. Defense steps up again. Ohio spacing. I got safety help though. Oh, we got running room for days. Oh, that guy's fast. Let's go, let's go. We're running again. We're getting down. Whoa. Whoa, buddy boy. Better not be trying to take me out. Have to get there a little quicker. A little quicker on the slant than that dig. Oh, nice ball. Thought that corner was going to come back and get it. Like this, and then we can audible. This Ohio spacing. We're gonna. Oh shit. That was unintentional. Again, my hot route button did not register, so that kind of sucks. Oh, there we go. We get it. Nice. There we go. Saving the day. With a touchdown. To keep our numbers good. And I think it's time to just get out of here unless they're going to give me some free press stuff, which kind of looks like they want to. They backed out of it. We'll take some free yards. Okay, they're doing it again. That safety's gonna be there, so it's not really gonna matter. Oh, maybe he isn't. Oh. Got hit as I threw it. Dang it. Okay, now they're playing normal. Just run. We get a block, Kyle. That is gonna do it, guys, for this one. 33-7. Not our best day, but we made it so it looks better than it actually was. 253, 4 touchdowns, no interceptions. That's great. Took down Bill Belichick again. I think we played him last season too. Right? Was that the national championship? I think it was. Okay, guys, that is it for this one. It was a fun game against another conference opponent. As always, thank you guys for sticking around and watching. If you could please hit the like and subscribe button, I would greatly appreciate it. Otherwise, I'll catch you all in the next episode. Peace.